Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products
小爱
are
同学，
available
打
on
开窗帘。
Amazon and Alibaba.
好的。
If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and hacks we've got in this video. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a dispenser you can use for liquid soap. It's really cool. And this is a small towel. This is a small soap bar, and this is a wipe you can use for your face. This is a rack you can use for toothbrushes. It's really cool. This is a bag you can use for your clothes, and this is a beautiful lamp you can use for charging your mobile phone. This is a folding washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. This is a tool you can use for vegetables and fruits, and this is a cooker you can use for chicken or cakes. This is a small blender you can use for making juice. This is a small mobile phone holder. This is another beautiful apartment. We'll see the gadgets we've got in this amazing apartment. We've got this one you can use for your heels and your lips. We've got these beautiful slippers you can use at home. She's gonna prepare something to eat. This is a cooker. This is another cooker, and this is an oil brush. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools and gadgets we've got in this beautiful apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unbox these new products. We'll see all these new products. This is the first one. These are items you can use for watches, and this is a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. This is a wallet you can use for your glasses. This is a shoes dryer. You can also use it for your socks. And this is a square mop you can use for the floor. This is an electric file you can use for your feet. This is a hair dryer. This is another apartment. This is the package. This is the first product. This is a printer. You can use a ton. It's really helpful. This is a rack you can use for toothbrushes. This is an electric mop you can use for windows. This is a machine you can use for heating water. This is a scale. This is a brush you can use for brushing off your clothes. And this is a small folding washing machine. This is another shows dryer. This is a small box you can use for your bags or for shopping. This is a box you can use for your makeup stuff. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen. This is another apartment. This is a cleaner you can use for your glasses. And this is a brush you can use for cleaning your shoes. This is a cooker. You can use it for grilling chicken. And this is a small frying pan you can use for making omelette. This is a cooker you can use for cakes. This is a small grinder you can use for grinding garlic, and this is a juicer you can use for making orange juice. This is a small mop you can use for mirrors. This is a small trash bin you can use in the bathroom. This is a mop you can use for the floor. It's a folding mop.
我在接水。好的，水壶加水。
This is another machine you can use for heating water. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.